Go badness, we go for them now.
I want thing, still my father. Man, not laugh for the road still. He sang dark. When I do it, big up on yourself, I don't know. Welcome to official Keem reaction, is it? So right now we are left from yard, which is Jamaica, or we are go for Trinidad. You see me? Over a Trinidad section, we are go for this. So. And we are gonna react to kman 6. You see me? No lethal. You see me? So it's actually my first time knowing of this bro. I have no idea who is him, what he's capable of. You see me? Me only there and see bad bro a trend on YouTube. So I decided, alright, cool. I want to see the dog a trend I go on with in the music. Right? Because I don't know. I want to learn more about the kman 6 artist from Trinidad. You see me? So without further ado, let me see how powerful the dog is. You see me I say? Let's see what I go. And if you're new, drop a like on the video, drop a subscription on the channel. I don't know. And if you can share it to bad bro them, do the right thing. You see me? I love that and respect that. You see me? Say, yo, take a walk with me or take a flight with me. You go do the right thing. Big up on yourself. Alright, dog, I say, yo, disclaimer. This look bad, bro. Yo, bro, this look bad still. Me not tell a lie, bro. The video look grimy. Me never show the video, anything look grimy. So make it see what I go.
Six rise head. Hey, fat up Zaki, I only hope you could run. Nobody now believe when my draw for my gun. Slowly, them I go perish in a grave you belong. You gotta know when me catch yourself on. Your friend body still here, must be done skeleton. See how we kill them, swear, say I love it from boys.
Yeah, man, I love it, bro. I love it. It's my first time hearing of this kman 6, bro. And the dog lyrics them a chop. I love it flow. I love his style, bro. Make it continue.
We unshake, cause I know if it on a J-man said the word and me load every gun. But all the fuck them later. 6 down rise every fucking day, man. Tint up car and less than 3, man.
Yo, the dogs are them just sound realistic, bro. You see me? Bro, we never watch some movie before. Until the movie look realistic and you can see everything upload in the movie. I say dog songs look really thing just sound real, bro. You see me? You come like they on party, right? And they just a couple man just drive by, bro. And everybody gets sprayed. I just say dog song look, bro. I just say dog video look as well.
Go for them now, never like fairies. And now we disappear, boy, cause they commit chase. And head top spitting a two-fish. Go for them, Scooby the do. Jacob, out it and nobody bad like you.
Yo, one thing still, bro. The chamber artists, them man and lyrical still. Dog them tough. You see me? The dog them have style, the dog them have flow. You see me? The dog them have everything, bro. I love it.
Wake up, fat pussy, wake up. Hey, you better wake up. M1's a fill if every broom clean up. Them a fucking 9 balloon, a 7-point stick, boy, take the gun on the glue.
Yo, the dog lyrical of rig youth. Boom, yo. Bro, him a lyrical dog. Me not tell you, your dog a flow lyrics like this, bro.
Everybody get it on the flu, cause every 6 man that's sick. Oh, the big shot for you, shit. Mount about 7 lucky place with them talking about. We are the evilest on them, no.
Oh, bro. Yo, this one just afraid, dog. I mean, like, the whole of the music video, I'm afraid, bro. To tell you the truth, I never watch a music video, dog. I'm feel so intimidated by the music video, bro. But dog, yo, it thing look really freak youth. Like that, they must start a movie, so bro.
Every 9 man that's sick. Oh, every 8 man that's sick. out. Watch if you see my net sick out. And if you should be sick, you get to make a block her out. The out man. Them pussy won't know where they man. And if you clip we have load for a reason.
Dog. Yo, this side dark. Yo, right now. The man talk about darkest life, you know, bro. The craft talk about darkest life. The man dark like them man, you know, bro. He came on 6 man, him, he done them dark. Yo, 12 man in dark, all this video dark, bro. They barely see much light in that video.
You get the ends burned down on the diesel. Watch every man get dirt, we no leave none. We never gonna sing about it, never they got it. We shoulda know the boy, them is a big horror. You got the guard up, I got the J off.
Yo, I want thing still. Hey, you know them militant are freak, bro. Low militancy for that music video. Low militancy, bro. I love it. Yo, lyrics are chopping on you.
It's a big tall rifle, I behold. That me thought fuck them later. 6 dan rise every fucking day, man. Tint up car, no less than 3 man. Me go for them now, never like for reason.
Yo, this load. Yo, I think just low, bro. I was say earlier still, it a give one of them vision there where you watch some news and the news reporter say 3 man jump out and ask you. 3 unknown man jump out and ask you and start shoot up the ends when the enemy them a go for. Yo, I saw this a give me a vivid picture, bro. Like, it think just realistic, dog.
This a pay boy, cause they commit trees. So now the fuck them later, how the fuck them later. 6 dan rise every fucking day, man. Tint up car, no less than 3 man. We go for you. Trickle badness, we go for them now.
I want thing, still my father. Man, them not laugh for the road still. He sang dark. He man them dark. Bro, me afraid of freak, dog. Scared. Oh, yo, me never react to a song and feel so intimidated yet, my friend. Yo, Chano, dog. Yo, what the dog? The dog, yo.
Face we don't miss the pussy
Come on,
back.
them.
From the dance and rise hell with that mental. And I swear we can't wait for live up all gun. Me got a Glock with a chip. Yeah, check it on my hip. I'm a miss up in the stick. You killing now we a bit. And if me done I said the way.
Wow. Hey, dog, yo. Jano youth.
Then you know we a tip. We fully psychopathic. None of we right from the stick. See them never wow with us. Shot. Left hole in this outfit us. Yeah, now this was if you win we must. Because anyway you spin we luck. Cause every 6 man let's say.
Bomba, bro. The dog, them cool. Yo, the man them not left. Nobody fi survive na this, bro. Either them body mash everything. I said that and say, oh, them say them lethal. Them not lethal, bro. Them not lethal. We more lethal over here, so we more deadly. You see me? Him and them not left nobody for survival, dog. None.
Oh, the big shot for you, shit, man. About 7 like a place where them talking about. We are the evilest and them no. Every 9 man net say, oh, every 8 man net say, oh, every Z man net say, oh.
Big up on yourself, bro. As I say, bro, it's the first time I check out them artists, yeah. I feel like, say, yo, I do some more reactions to G them, bro. Because the man them song bad. Ain't capping, bro. Yeah, man, bro. It's a good song. It's a good song. Good song. I love it. Love the concept of the music video. The concept of the music video with everything what the song I say. Yeah, man. Me like the production for this. So people respect for the watch. They don't know if you're not Trinidad and jobs on Trinidad flag in the comment section. You see me, I say, because you don't know one Caribbean, you see me. From Jamaica to Trinidad, from Trinidad to Ghana, from Ghana to wherever. You see me. St. Kitts and Nevis and in place there. You know, Ghana is like a Caribbean country, but you don't know. Anyway, big up on yourself. Respect for the watch.